Have you guys heard of the sugar wax? Well, I'm gonna try that one. Let's see how that goes. So wish me luck. Welcome back to my channel. So it is 10:42 at night, and I'm gonna get some cleaning done because my husband's not here and I hate going to bed without him. My kitchen's a mess, so I thought we'd start there. I'm gonna try out some DIYs and let's see if they work or if they don't work. So follow along. I'm waiting for my
Subscribe if you like this video.
Don't mind my mess. Anyways, first we're gonna put water to boil, and we're also going to take these air vents out. See how nasty they are? They need to be cleaned. Yeah, they're all full of oil and grease. So we're boiling the water, and we're gonna look for scissors to cut open that bag. I can't open the bag. Got it. So after the water boils, we're going to put like a cup or two of baking soda in the water and dump those in there. We're going to start off with 1 cup. We're just going to wait for it to boil, and then we'll move on. We got the baking soda. And we're going to... Abigail, what are you doing? Oh. Just a quick update. This is how they turned out, which is not bad at all. I think one more go at it and they'll be all cleared off. So I'm happy. Yay, it was pretty quick. Sorry, I decided to finish washing dishes and put some beans to boil. And I'm in the kitchen, I might as well continue doing everything, but I'm so overheated now. Anyways, so now we're gonna do the thing with the toothpaste. We're gonna dump out the water we just used, all the grease and this is what the pan looks like. I don't know if I'm actually gonna show this. We just put a little bit of toothpaste and we scrub, supposedly. I don't know how that's gonna work because this water has bleach in it, so we'll see. So we're just supposed to scrub. Yeah, I don't see a difference. Do you? Maybe. Oh, look at that. You see that part right there? Huh. I wonder what would happen if I do this more often. So let's flip it around. And let's do the inside of it. And add a little bit of toothpaste here and there. And we're going to scrub. I know toothpaste shines silver. Dang, my chin was really close. I know toothpaste shines silver, but I was kind of hoping it would. I think it is doing something. Let's let it look. You know what? I think that if I were to do this maybe a couple of times a month, it would actually do something. Okay guys, another one of my hacks is going to be for my microwave. I use the lemons that I used for, I use the leftover of the lemons that I used for my wax. And the leftover of it, I put it in a bowl with water. We're gonna stick it in the microwave. My microwave looks like right now. So what this is supposed to do, it's supposed to make it easier to, it's supposed to make it easier to scrub it. Well, in other words, I won't really need to scrub it. So let's see how it works. So we put the microwave for 3 minutes, and after that we wipe it down. So we'll see. Okay, so it finished. So now we're gonna open it and we're gonna start wiping it down. So I'll let you guys know how the results come. Well, let's see if I can wipe down at least a little bit of it. So we're gonna dip the napkin into the bowl that's already hot, and look, it's coming off super. That's chocolate, so it's also spraying everywhere. But it is working. I just had the microwave open for a good minute trying to fix the camera too. But it is working. It's wiping down very well. The camera is kind of blocking me, so I can't reach all the way in the back, so I'll do that right now. But it looks like it's doing its job. If it wasn't 100%, I mean, it helped. It did, see? But I'm gonna try the one with vinegar instead. Okay, so according to Pinterest, I need 2 cups of white sugar. This is 1. Whoa. Y'all see that? I can't get the second cup. Got it. Here's 2 cups of white sugar. 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of water. So let me get mine. I'm gonna do it with my hand because there's seeds there. So I still dropped the seeds. Oh my goodness. And then 1/4 cups of water. That's not 1/4. And put in a spoon for mixing. And then place pot over high heat. And put it on high. Oops, I should take the spoon out. It says, place pot over high heat and wait until the mixture becomes bubbly frothy. Then reduce it to medium heat and stir constantly. It's extremely important you stir. Y'all see what's happening? About to start bubbling soon. Okay guys, so my wax turned out like this, which y'all know this is way too liquidy to be a wax. So we're gonna do it again, try it one more time. It doesn't smell bad, it smells real good actually. Okay guys, so I'm a hot mess, but it's okay. The first wax that I did, I think that it's coming out to like regular wax. Oops. So we're gonna let it cool off a little, and I'm gonna use it like with strips and everything. So right now it's almost cool. Let me see if it can tolerate it. Actually I can, so we're gonna try it. My legs, my arm. I'm gonna try a little piece on my arm because my husband just gave me a weird look for my legs. So we're gonna try a little piece on my arm and see if it works. So, I'm a little nervous. I just made a mess. Ooh, it's hot. Should have waited a little bit longer. I have this rag. Right here. And I have this thing. Cool. Oh! Look, I don't know if you can tell. That didn't even hurt. Like, I was surprised that it did it, but look at the hair it took out. Well, I'm excited. I'm gonna try to shape my eyebrows with it later. Not right now, because I'm too much of a scaredy cat. We let it sit, and this is what it looks like. Smells good. So let's see if it works. Oh, it's still kind of... Maybe I should have let it sit for longer than 30 minutes. Still kind of runny. Still hot too. Oh yeah. It's still super hot. That hurt. Yep, it's still really hot. So we're gonna let it cool. Oh my God, I think I got like, we're gonna let it cool a little bit longer. And then we'll go from there. Well, you know what? I think I have a little piece that I can use. We'll try that. Let's see. That way it cools. No, I'm not gonna eat it. That way it cools off a little. Because last time it burned. Let's see. It's still hot. I don't ever learn my lesson. You know what? I haven't even had coffee today. I made myself some coffee and I gave it to my husband.
Thank you.
You guys might not see him, but he's always around. Always. Oh, I think I got it. I can do it. I can handle it now. Watch, I can't. Oh my God. It's still kind of hot, but how do you make it into a ball? Or is it just not sticky enough? Or hard enough? I don't think it's hard enough. So, oh my gosh. So I'm making a mess, you guys. So I'm supposed to put it on my... Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, okay. I get it now. Kind of. If I move it too much, it'll start getting all icky again. Okay, so it became the ball that I was looking for. So now I gotta make it warm again so that I can smear it. Just one smear. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I'm scared. Oh, I got it. It's on my wrist now. So now I'm supposed to tug it off, but I don't know if I want to. Okay guys, I can't leave it on forever. Oh, I just pulled a little bit of hair and it hurts. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It wasn't that bad. It does hurt a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. I don't know if you can see anything on it. Not really. You see where it's turning a little red right here? I only put a little bit. And then what happened? I don't know what happened. I hope I recorded that because it'll suck if I did it. But it's right there. The hard wax. I'll take pictures of it. And hopefully better shots. But I love it. Guys. I don't know if you can see the tiny piece of hair there. Can you see it? So I love this. So now I'm just gonna cover it up. Well, I'm later on after my shower, I'm gonna do my whole legs. And then I'm gonna cover it up and put it away. And then when I need it, because it's in this, I can just put it in a little bit of water, hot water, until it heats up, and then do it again. So we're gonna be saving some money on not having to go get waxed. I'm gonna try my eyebrows. So if in my next video you see me with weird looking eyebrows, that's because I tried waxing them. But I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and ring that notification bell, and
see you back later.
we'll see you back later. Bye.